So welcome back to Joe's Allotment channel, and thank you to Di behind the camera. We're still clearing out the last of the rocket in the greenhouse. There's not much left now, but the lettuce should be coming onto stream in the next couple of weeks, so this will see us through for another few days. What I'll do is, if you keep watching, is rocket is not just for salads, you can actually cook it as well. So keep watching, and I'll be doing a recipe on rocket when I get back to the kitchen. See you soon. So as we've said before, it's not just about growing our crops. We like to show ways of cooking and enjoying it as well. So we've got the last of the rocket here, about 200 grams of rocket there. And what I'm going to do is not make it into a salad. I'm going to cook it. So it's a different way of using rocket. Rocket is very, very nutritious. Contains vitamins A, C and K, calcium, potassium, so it's very, very good for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it down with some garlic, make some toast. To the garlic and the rocket, I'm going to add some lime juice and some crushed nuts, which is almonds and cashews. Spread some hummus onto the toast when it's toasted, and then put the mixture on top. So it's a lovely, delicious snack to enjoy. So just a touch of olive oil, fry off the garlic a little bit. So that I add the crushed nuts. I'll let all that cook off a bit. Stick the rocket in. There's 200 grams of rocket there. Juice of one lime. That has a lovely flavour. We'll give that a little bit of a stir. Turn that down low and let that cook down for a while. So just to recap again, it's toast with a layer of hummus. Cook down the rocket, 200 grams of rocket with some tablespoon of, I think 1 tablespoon of cashews, 1 tablespoon of almonds. Cook down the rocket with the garlic and the nuts and spread it on the toast. Delicious snack. Give it a go, see what you think. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing, commenting if you enjoy it. Please give us a comment. If you don't know. And give us a like. Thank you.